Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I would like to guide you through the step-by-step procedure. Let's begin with the mobile version of Spotify. Open the Spotify app on your mobile device and locate the search icon, represented by a magnifying glass, at the bottom of your screen. Tap on this icon to proceed. A search bar will appear, where you can enter the name of the song, artist, genre, or playlist that you wish to find. Once you've entered your search query, you can browse through the search results, which will be divided into various categories such as songs, artists, genres, and playlists, all matching your search criteria. When you find the song, artist, genre, or playlist you desire, simply tap on it to start playing the content. That's it for the mobile version. Now, let's move on to the desktop version of Spotify. Open the Spotify app on your desktop, and at the main screen, you'll see a search bar located at the top of the interface. Click on it. Type the name of the song, artist, genre, or playlist you want to find into the search bar. As you type, Spotify will display real-time search results, categorized into songs, artists, albums, playlists, and more. You can browse through the search results and click on the desired song, artist, genre, or playlist to view its details. Once you are on the song or playlist page, simply click the play button to start listening to the content. That's it for the desktop version. Thank you again for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please remember to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to receive notifications for future content. Feel free to leave your comments below.